When you enter a room, of course, you'll have the fear of the stage. Some people will start sweating, some people, the voice is shaking. Think about the audience. These guys, these people are there to listen to you. They already subscribe to you. They're there to listen to you, to learn from you, to see what you have to say as knowledge, wisdom, ideas. So give them that. This is your show. Embrace that moment and feel proud. Feel comfortable, feel confident. Don't need to be scared because you have a lot to say. These people have already bought the ticket and sat on the chair to listen to you.